Hi guys, welcome back to another lesson. And how are you guys doing? So today we're going to be continuing with our spellings as we normally do, but today we're going to be focusing on names of doctors, names of different doctors that we have. Okay, so we're going to name some of them. So are you ready for this class? Make sure to grab your pen and paper. Let's go right into the class. And the very first one I would like us to look at is pediatrician. Pediatrician. Pediatrician, let's try it. So we have pe. We have pe. Okay, so I'm going to be making this as bold as I can for you guys that have been complaining that you are not seeing the board very well. So today I want it to be as bold as it can. Okay, so we have pe, we have die, pe. Okay, we have tree, and we have shen. Okay, so we have pediatrician. Okay, when we talk about a pediatrician, we are actually referring to doctors that actually take care of children. They are doctors who their main focus is on children. They oversee the health of children. So they are into children's health, okay? So the next time you want to see a doctor that actually cares for children's health, you should use the word pediatrician and not just use the word doctor. Okay, you can simply say I am on my way to see a pediatrician. I am taking my child to a pediatrician. I am actually taking my child or my children to see a pediatrician. Okay, so the next time you're going to see a pediatrician, don't just say a doctor, use the word pediatrician. The next one, let's try audiologist. Audiologist. So we talk about audiologist. Let's spell it first. So we have audio. Okay, so we have we have dio, gist, la, le, li, lo. Okay, we have audiologist. And audiologist is a doctor that actually takes care of the ears. Okay, he is actually a doctor that specializes in diagnosing, preventing, treating ear disease. Okay, if you have any ear problem, you should go see your audiologist. So the next time you are going to see a doctor of the ear, the doctor that actually cares for the ear, don't just say I'm going to see a doctor. You can simply say I'm going to see an audiologist. I am on my way to see an audiologist. Okay, I am taking my child to see an audiologist. Anyone who has problem with the ears should go see an audiologist. Okay, another one, let's try hepatologist. So let's try it out. So we have hair, we have hair, we have pa, hair, pa, we have to, and we have lo, and we have g, we have st. So we have hepatologist. Okay, when we talk about hepatologists, we're talking about doctors that specialize on taking care of the liver. Okay, they diagnose, they actually treat and as well give preventive measures for our liver. So if you're having a liver issue and you want to go see a doctor, it is right for you to say I'm going to see a hepatologist and not just saying I'm going to see a doctor. So the next time you're going to see a liver doctor, you should use the word hepatologist. That is the doctor that actually specializes in taking care of the liver. Okay, so that's it. Another one, let's try orthopedic. Let's see, we have okay, though this is the toe we are going to be using. I've actually taught this as well. Yes, we have ortho, we have pair, and we have dick. So we have orthopedic. When we talk about an orthopedic, we're talking about a doctor that actually focuses on taking care of the bones. If you actually have an issue with your bone, you should see an orthopedic. He is there to take care of the bone. He diagnoses, treats, and give you preventive measures how you can actually take care of your bone. So a doctor that is in charge, that oversees when it comes to bones, you actually see an orthopedic. So a doctor that actually takes care of the bone is actually called an orthopedic. So the next time you have issue concerning your bone, you should simply say, I'm going to say an orthopedic, instead of using the general name doctor. Another one, let's try gynecologist. 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 Let's try it. So we have guy. Remember, we've treated the BY, the CY, the TY. Okay, so we are trying to write the GY. This is pronounced as guy, by, guy. We have thigh. Okay, we have sigh. We've treated this. You can actually check out other videos we have on this channel. We've done a lot if you're just joining me. So I'm trying for us to spell out gynecologist. So we have guy. Okay, ne, na, ne, gyne. We have call, and we have law, g, st. Okay, so put together we have gynecologist. Gynecologist. Now we talk about a gynecologist. We're actually talking about a doctor that specializes on women. Okay, he's actually a doctor that takes care of the reproductive system of women. He's in charge of the women reproductive system, giving birth, and anything that has to do with the female reproductive system. That person that actually does that is called a gynecologist. So the next time you as a woman or you a man taking your woman to the hospital, don't use the general word doctor. Instead say, I am going to say a gynecologist. All right. Another one, let's try oncologist. 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 Let's try it. So we have on, O-O-N. On, we have on, we have co, we have law, and we have gist. Okay, so put together we have oncologist, oncologist, oncologist. An oncologist is actually a doctor that specializes in diagnosing, he specializes in treating and giving preventive tips concerning cancer. So a doctor that actually specializes in taking care of cancer patients are actually called oncologist. So the next time you're going to see a doctor concerning cancer issue, you should use the word oncologist instead of using the general name doctor. So a doctor that actually specializes in taking care of people with cancer or cancer patients are actually called oncologists. Okay, another one, let's try dermatologist. Dermatologist. A lot of us actually familiar with this particular one, but let's try the spelling. There, okay, we have ma, we have tho, and we have lo, g, st, logist. To, we have dermatologist. 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 Okay, when we talk about a dermatologist, we are actually referring to people that actually specialize in taking care of the skin. Okay, if you have any skin issue, if you want to actually know how you can actually take care of your skin, if you want a skin-based prescription, you should see a dermatologist. So dermatologists actually are persons who actually take care of the skin. Okay, they specialize in taking care of the skin. So the next time you have an appointment concerning the skin and you're going to see a doctor, don't use the general word doctor, instead use the word dermatologist. All right, another one, let's try pulmonologist. 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 Let's try it. So we have pul. It is not just pul, it has L, pul. We have pull, mo, no, lo. We have g, st. Okay, so we have pulmonologist, pulmonologist, pulmonologist. We talk about a pulmonologist, we're actually talking about doctors that actually take care of the lungs. Okay, when it comes to the lungs, you go see a pulmonologist. So the next time you have issue with your lungs, don't actually say I'm going to see a doctor. Instead, say I'm going to see a pulmonologist. Okay, so far so good. We are able to pronounce and write out pediatrician, audiologist, hepatologist, orthopedic, gynecologist, oncologist, dermatologist, and we have pulmonologist. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be calling it short for today's video. I don't know if actually you benefited from today's lesson, and if you see me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. Right here it's all about English language. We learn how to read, write, and speak. And if you sound interested like what you're interested in, tell me if you're interested. And okay, you can actually join us if you find what we do here interesting just by subscribing, and when you do, don't forget to turn the notification bell, because that's the only way you get a quick notification whenever I post a new video. Don't ever forget how amazing you are. Keep staying safe. See you in our next class, and bye for now.